Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely amazing today. In this video, we're going to explore some of the most stylish, modern, and confidence-boosting haircut ideas you can try right now. The ever-charming pixie cuts and the endlessly elegant bob styles. So, if you've been thinking about giving your hair a bold new start or just want to upgrade your everyday look, you're in the perfect place. Let's begin with the pixie haircut. Short, edgy, and full of character. The pixie is more than just a haircut. It's a statement. It says you're strong, confident, and unafraid to stand out. Every strand in a pixie cut adds its own spark of personality. There are so many variations to choose from. The classic short pixie, which gives that timeless Audrey Hepburn kind of grace. The textured pixie, which brings volume and movement. Or the pixie with long bangs, giving your face a soft feminine frame. Some women go even bolder with an asymmetrical pixie, short on one side and longer on the other. Perfect for adding a little mystery to your look. And the best part? Pixie cuts are incredibly easy to style and maintain. You can literally wash your hair, add a touch of styling cream, and you're ready to go. It's light, cool, and ideal for any season, especially summer or spring when you want that airy, free feeling. It's also one of the few styles that can highlight your eyes, cheekbones, and jawline naturally, giving you a radiant, confident appearance without extra effort. Now let's talk about the all-time favorite, the bob haircut. Simple, graceful, and unbelievably versatile. No matter how trends change, the bob remains a timeless choice that never goes out of style. It's perfect for women who love structure but still want movement and flow in their hair. There's the classic blunt bob, which gives that clean, powerful vibe. The layered bob, that adds bounce and life to fine hair. And the long bob, or lob, which strikes the perfect balance between long and short. Each version tells a slightly different story, from professional elegance to effortless weekend charm. You can style a bob straight and shiny for a sleek high-end finish, or add waves for a natural, relaxed, beachy texture. A few highlights or balayage shades can also make a big difference, bringing depth and shine that glow beautifully on camera and in sunlight. Whether you're filming a Pinterest-style reel or walking into a casual brunch, a bob haircut never lets you down. Now, if you're someone who loves both worlds, short yet soft, then you should definitely try the pixie bob. It's short at the back, longer in the front, and beautifully layered in between. This cut combines the playful confidence of a pixie with the smooth shape of a bob, making it perfect for women who like something bold yet balanced. Add a side part or a few wispy bangs, and you'll instantly get that trendy, model-like vibe. When choosing the right cut, always consider your face shape and personality. For round faces, asymmetrical pixies or angled bobs work beautifully. They create a lengthening effect. If you have an oval face, lucky you. Almost every pixie and bob style will suit you. Square faces look amazing with side-swept bangs or soft layers, and heart-shaped faces shine with longer front pieces that balance the chin perfectly. But here's the truth. The right haircut is never just about fashion. It's about feeling confident in your own skin. When your hair feels right, everything else starts to feel right too. A great haircut can change the way you walk, talk, and carry yourself. It's more than beauty. It's energy. So, if you're ready for a change, don't be afraid to go short, to try something new, to take that small risk. Because sometimes, a fresh haircut is all you need to feel like a brand new version of yourself. Whether you choose the fearless pixie or the graceful bob, own your look, style it your way, and wear it with confidence. Because your hair should never hide you. It should reveal your best self. Thank you so much for watching, beautiful people. If you enjoyed these hairstyle inspirations, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss new uploads. Stay confident, stay elegant, and remember, your beauty begins with self-love. See you all in the next video.